Hey, we're looking at percentile backwards again, and this is question number 5. Consider the stem and leaf plot below showing the number of push-ups a group of students can do in 60 seconds. So in 60 seconds, this kid over here managed to do 2 push-ups, whereas over here at the top end of the distribution, you can see that this kid over here managed to do 58 push-ups in 60 seconds. That's quite a feat. How many push-ups did a student do if they're ranked in the 20th percentile? And so I want to know, if you're in that 20th percentile, which kid are you from this distribution? You've been able to outperform or tie 20% of this population. And so the method that we do it is exactly the same. Once you know that percentile from the question itself, we're going to divide that by 100, multiply that by the total number of data, and that number that we get will be the rank that we're looking for. That's what we're going to count in order to find in our distribution. So we're looking here at going 20, because 20th percentile, divided by 100, and we're going to have to multiply that by 43. Now, why 43? That's because I counted 43 numbers up here in this stem and leaf plot. 43 kids did their push-ups and counted their push-ups, and there's the first kid and there's the last kid, and there's 43 of them. So I'm going to take a second. I got to bring my calculator in for this one. Sorry, I'm going to hide part of the question here for a moment. But in order to do this, we're going to go 20, and we'll divide that by 100, which gives us 0.20. I'm going to multiply that by 43. And right there is our rank, 8.6. Now we can't count in 8.6. We know that we're going to have to round that number, and of course the temptation is always going to be to round a 0.6 up. But remember that this is percentile backwards, and so we are always going to round that decimal down in percentile backwards. And so what we're looking for, our answer right there, is the 8. But remember, the 8 is the rank. So you're the 8th kid if you're in the 20th percentile. Now, which kid from this distribution is the 8th kid? You have to count in and find him. So here's kid number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And right there is the 8th kid. And the 8th kid was able to do 7 push-ups in 1 minute. And that's your answer.